explorers of the past. Today, on Talk Dino, we're diving deep into the mysterious waters of the Cretaceous period to meet one of the most intriguing and enigmatic creatures of the dinosaur era, the Spinosaurus. This giant dinosaur, famous for its sail on its back and aquatic lifestyle, continues to be the subject of intense research and debate among paleontologists. What makes it so special? Get ready to discover the unique characteristics of this predator and why it's considered one of the most fascinating dinosaurs that ever existed. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on the video. The Spinosaurus lived during the Cretaceous period, about 100 to 93 million years ago, in a region that is now northern Africa. Unlike many of its terrestrial contemporaries, the Spinosaurus seems to have spent much of its life in aquatic environments, a rare trait among dinosaurs. The first Spinosaurus fossils were discovered in Egypt in 1912 by German paleontologist Ernst Stromer. Unfortunately, these fossils were destroyed during World War II, and for decades, our understanding of this creature remained fragmented. However, recent discoveries and analyses have shed new light on the Spinosaurus and its evolution. Studies suggest that the Spinosaurus was part of a group of dinosaurs called Spinosaurids, which includes other similar predators like Baryonyx and Suchomimus. However, the Spinosaurus stands out as the largest and most adapted to aquatic environments among them. There are several species of Spinosaurids, but Spinosaurus aegyptiacus is the most famous of all. Estimated to be between 15 and 18 meters in length, Spinosaurus aegyptiacus is one of the largest carnivorous dinosaurs ever discovered, even surpassing the iconic Tyrannosaurus rex in size. But unlike the T-Rex, which was a formidable terrestrial predator, the Spinosaurus developed a series of unique adaptations that suggest a semi-aquatic lifestyle. One of the most striking features of the Spinosaurus is its dorsal sail, formed by long vertebral spines covered in skin. This sail may have served several purposes, from regulating body temperature to functioning as a display to attract mates or intimidate rivals. Additionally, its long, narrow snout, resembling that of a crocodile, and its conical teeth suggest it specialized in capturing aquatic prey, such as fish and other water-dwelling animals. For many years, reconstructing the Spinosaurus was a challenge for paleontologists. The first fossils were destroyed, combined with a lack of complete skeletal material, leaving many gaps about its anatomy and behavior. However, a series of recent discoveries in the Sahara region has brought to light new Spinosaurus fossils, allowing for a more detailed understanding of its biology. In 2014, a team led by paleontologist Nizar Ibrahim unveiled a more complete skeleton of the Spinosaurus, suggesting that its hind legs were smaller and more adapted for swimming than walking on land. This was one of the main arguments supporting the theory that the Spinosaurus was indeed a semi-aquatic dinosaur, setting it apart from other giant predators of its time. Even so, there are controversies over how much the Spinosaurus depended on the aquatic environment. Some hypotheses suggest that it was an opportunistic hunter, spending part of its time on land, while other evidence points to a life almost entirely in the water, similar to modern crocodiles. The Spinosaurus's habitat during the Cretaceous was very different from modern-day northern Africa. At that time, this region consisted of large river systems and mangrove swamps, with a tropical, hot, and humid climate ideal for a semi-aquatic predator. The rivers and lakes offered an abundance of fish and other aquatic animals, which likely made up the majority of the Spinosaurus's diet. Sediment studies and plant fossils from that era suggest that the Spinosaurus might have shared its habitat with other herbivorous dinosaurs, like Tyrannosaurus, as well as large crocodilomorphs. Competition for food and aquatic territories may have been intense, but the Spinosaurus's specialization as a predator in river and estuarine environments probably gave it an edge over its competitors. The Spinosaurus gained notoriety in pop culture after its appearance in the movie Jurassic Park 3, where it is shown defeating a Tyrannosaurus rex in combat. This led many fans to believe that the Spinosaurus was the most powerful predator of the dinosaur era. However, in real life, there is no evidence to suggest a direct confrontation between these two species, as they lived in different times and habitats. Another common myth is that the Spinosaurus's dorsal sail was used exclusively for hunting or fighting. While this structure could be intimidating, the exact function of the sail is still up for debate. Some scientists believe it helped with thermoregulation, absorbing or dissipating heat, while others suggest it was a social or sexual display element. A fascinating fact is that in 2020, new research revealed that the Spinosaurus had a long, flexible tail, unlike other carnivorous dinosaurs. This tail likely helped it swim more efficiently, making it one of the best swimmers among dinosaurs. These discoveries reinforce the idea that the Spinosaurus was highly adapted to aquatic life, more so than any other known dinosaur. So, what makes the Spinosaurus so special? It wasn't just the largest known carnivorous dinosaur, but also one of the most enigmatic. Its aquatic adaptations, like its elongated snout, small hind legs, and swimming tail, put it in a category apart from other giant predators of the dinosaur era. As new discoveries continue to emerge, the Spinosaurus remains a subject of great fascination and mystery, both for scientists and the public alike.